Why do broke people remain broke? Gen Z finance truths they never taught you. What if I told you that being broke is not just about money, that most broke people are not broke because of circumstance, but because of a system, a pattern, a mindset designed to keep them that way? If you are Gen Z and struggling financially, this might be the most important video you ever watch. We live in the age of possibility, where you can build a brand on your phone, invest from your bedroom, create content in your hoodie, and yet most of Gen Z feels more financially stuck. Wages are low, debt is high, everything is expensive, and school did not teach you anything about money. So the question becomes, why do broke people stay broke? By the end of this video, you will not only understand the patterns keeping you financially stuck, but you will also walk away with a complete mental blueprint to break free. This is not just about budgeting or getting a side hustle. This is about rewiring your financial identity from the ground up. Stay with me until the end, and I promise your mindset will shift. And once that shift happens, your income will follow. The real reason broke people stay broke. Let me tell you a story. I once knew a guy who made over $6,000 a month and still lived paycheck to paycheck. You know why? Because he was broke in the mind, not just in the bank. Here is the truth. Broke is a mindset, not a dollar amount. Broke people stay broke because they spend to impress instead of invest to progress. Delay learning about money, but rush to buy things they cannot afford. Work for money instead of making money work for them. Believe that money is evil instead of a tool for impact. That mindset becomes a trap, and it is not entirely your fault. You were raised in a world that trained you to be a worker, not an owner. To trade time for money, not build assets. To scroll, not study. But now that you are aware, you have a choice. You can keep following the script, or you can write your own. The emotional cycle that keeps you stuck. Most people repeat the same cycle. Step 1, you get paid. Step 2, you feel relief. Step 3, you spend impulsively because you feel stressed or under pressure. Step 4, you realize you are broke again. Step 5, you blame your job or your circumstances. Step 6, you repeat. This is emotional survival, not financial growth. You cannot escape being broke if every dollar you earn is tied to an emotional trigger. If you are spending to feel better, you are using money as a drug, not as a tool. Break the cycle by identifying the feeling before the spending. Ask yourself, am I spending because I am anxious, bored, insecure, or trying to impress? The moment you pause and reflect is the moment you reclaim power. Why Gen Z is especially vulnerable. Gen Z is brilliant, creative, and resourceful, but you are also under attack. You are the most marketed to generation in history. Your FYP, your DMs, your feed, it is all designed to trigger your insecurities and turn you into a consumer. Fashion hauls, luxury unboxings, what I spend in a day videos. They are designed to normalize financial chaos. So here is the truth. Everyone you are trying to impress is broke too. Real wealth is not loud. Real money does not need to be flaunted. Most millionaires wear plain clothes, drive regular cars, and live way below their means. If you want to win, stop trying to look rich and start acting rich. Breaking the generational curse. Step-by-step financial reset. So how do you escape being broke forever? Let me break it down in a way that is simple, clear, and powerful. Step 1. Audit your mindset. Write down every belief you have about money. Seriously, do you believe money is hard to get? That rich people are greedy? That you will never have enough? Challenge every belief. Rewire it. Replace "I am bad with money" with "I am learning to master money." Replace "money is evil" with "money gives good people power." Step 2. Learn to budget like a boss. Budgeting is not about restriction. It is about clarity. Track every dollar. Create 3 categories: needs, growth, and freedom. Needs are survival. Growth is investing in yourself. Freedom is building your future. Every time you spend money, ask, is this helping me survive, grow, or become free? Step 3. Start making money your way. Pick one digital skill and start mastering it. Design, copywriting, social media, video editing. Start offering it for free or cheap. Build your portfolio, raise your price. You do not need a boss to make money. You need skills. In a creator economy, you are the asset. Step 4. Automate wealth. As soon as you earn anything, set up auto transfers to a savings account or a high-yield investment platform. The goal is to make saving and investing as automatic as your subscription renewals. Step 5. Protect your peace. Your environment is shaping your income. Follow people who teach you. Join communities that grow you. Unfollow people who drain you. Your feed is your future. Make it wealth-friendly. The truth about credit, debt, and passive income. Credit is not your enemy. Misusing it is. Build your credit early. Pay on time. Keep balances low. Use credit for growth, not lifestyle. Debt is not bad. Bad debt is. Good debt builds assets. Bad debt builds anxiety. If the debt is not making you money, it is costing you money. Passive income is not a myth, but it starts with active effort. You build the system before the system pays you. One day, your content, your course, your product, your investment will make money while you sleep. But first, you hustle while awake. What is the cost of staying broke? Let me ask you something real. What will your life look like 1 year from now if nothing changes? If you keep avoiding your finances, numbing out with spending, ignoring your goals, and settling for survival. Now imagine the opposite. You face the numbers. You learn the rules. You start that business. You build your skill set. You create momentum. Where would you be? One version of you is trapped. The other version is free. Which version are you becoming? Quick wins for instant financial momentum. Let me give you some momentum boosters you can start today. Sell something you do not use anymore. Offer a service for $20 online. Download a cashback extension for your browser. Use the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. Cancel one unused subscription. Start a savings account called Freedom Fund. Read one finance book this month. Watch our How You Can playlist daily. Small actions compound into massive freedom. Why community is your superpower. You are not meant to do this alone. The reason broke people stay broke is because they hang around other broke people who think broke habits are normal. Not here. In this community, we talk about freedom. We talk about earning, investing, building, creating, and mastering the game of money. So comment below and tell me, what is your biggest financial struggle right now? What is one step you will take today? When you comment, you are not just posting. You are activating your growth. You are creating your breakthrough. And someone else might read your comment and realize they are not alone. Rewiring the subconscious financial identity shift. Your income will never exceed your identity. If you see yourself as broke, you will sabotage every chance to grow. If you believe money is not for people like you, you will push it away. So here's your new identity. I am a creator of wealth. I am a master of money. I am a builder of legacy. Say it out loud. Write it down. Repeat it daily. Reprogram your mind until your bank account follows. Final transformation blueprint. If you are Gen Z and you are tired of being broke, here is your transformation blueprint. 1. Break up with broke beliefs. 2. Spend with purpose. 3. Earn by serving. 4. Save automatically. 5. Invest in income-producing assets. 6. Follow mentors, not influencers. 7. Commit to the long game. 8. Listen to our How You Can playlist daily. 9. Teach someone else. 10. Become the blueprint for your generation. You are never meant to just survive. You were born to build, to grow, to lead. The system taught you to stay broke. We are here to teach you to break out. Like this video if you feel the shift. Comment below and share your first financial action step. Subscribe and turn on notifications because every single video we drop is another weapon for your financial freedom. And play our How You Can playlist in the background of your day. Let it shape your mindset while you work, while you plan, while you dream. You are no longer broke. You are becoming unbreakable. Welcome to your new life.